Well, hello there, you two. I've been taking a couple of rides the other night. Once on the Goldwing and once on the Spider. I gotta buckle up my helmet. I got the water sprinklers on. Put it in neutral. Come on. Oh, dang it! Get in there. There we go. I bought some wireless mics. I go in my helmet, and it's got a little receiver that I plug into the GoPro brick. Now I'm using the Media Mod right now because I'm back to my wired mic. We've had some good rain, but it's been dry, so got my sprinklers going. Ugh. I got like 10 zones. But I've been trying a couple times I've been trying the wireless mics. They work, but they only work like the first time. And then once I shut the GoPro off and turn it back on, it's just like it works, but there's just a lot of noise. Now I'll close my shield. I put on a clear shield. So I'm back to the wireless one. I'm back to the wired ones. I'm sorry. I really like the wireless ones, but I guess there's really no good place to put it in my helmet that's not right in front of my mouth, because I even read the manual where you just turn it on, you press it 3 times, and it drops the gain, but it was still loud. So if I could find a place to put it, like way up high where it'll pick up my voice, because it's really strong, I'll just keep working with it, because I like the wireless, but it's really nowhere to put it. I have to put it way up in my ear or something, maybe. Then it's in the way. I'll turn it back on a little bit. This mic should work fine, I hope. Well, hello there again, you two. I just turned on this other highway that I usually always take. I take a big loop, maybe like a 20-mile loop. There's some nice homes on this street, though. It's a busy highway. There's some pretty nice homes on here. Out my belly. Shirt's riding up. I should have tucked it in. Here's a nice one here. Nice shop. Some newer homes right there too, but they're out in the country, which is kind of nice, but they're on a highway, so you'll pick up the highway noise. There's another shop out there with all the gasoline signage. There's a person in Leander that had that. Turn it on in a minute. That this place up here, I always try to get this house up here. It's like a 40 acres. It's set way back there, but never have a microphone working the wireless.